Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Siri saying can't show the results while in the car. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you need to do is to simply check the driving focus mode. So the most frequent reason of this message is the driving focus. So you just have to open the settings on your iPhone. Over here, you just have to look for the option of focus. In the focus, you just have to look for the option of driving. Now, if driving focus is enabled, Siri is going to limit what it can display. So you just have to first of all turn it off. Also check the activation settings. If it is set to activate automatically, your phone may think that you are driving even when you are not. So you can change it to manually or you can disable it completely. Now, even after doing this step, the issue still persists. You can try our second solution, in which you just have to check the CarPlay connection status. For that, again, simply open the settings of your iPhone. In the settings, you just have to go to the general option. In the general option, look for the option of CarPlay. So here inside the CarPlay, you need to remove any of the unused or the old vehicles. The ghost CarPlay connections often trigger this Siri restriction. Now you can also check the Bluetooth auto detection. So your phone may assume that you are driving when you are connected to a certain Bluetooth devices. So in the iPhone settings itself, you just have to look for the option of Bluetooth, the temporarily turn off the Bluetooth and test Siri. If the problem disappears, a Bluetooth device was the uh, problem that was triggering this type of driving detection. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.